Hello there, sixth graders. It's April 20th, and you guys are just about to start your New Nation unit. This unit begins today, April 20th. It takes the rest of this week, and it's going to go through next Monday's lesson. Just so you know, when you're finished with these lessons, there's also going to be a check for understanding at the end that you can complete if you want to see how much you learned this unit. First thing you need to be able to do is join, to access the work for this unit, is to be a member of the Distance Learning Science, Social Studies, and Language Arts Google Classroom. And as of last week, I know last week was a little bit bumpy in terms of people being able to connect and using Blackboard and all that. But at the end of the week, only 76 students were in the Distance Learning Google Classroom. So we still need about 30 more students to join. So I'm going to real quickly show you how to do that if you don't know already. First thing you want to do is go to classroom.google.com. And once you're there, you'll see that there's different classes that you're probably already a member of, and you want to join a new class. So you're going to click this plus button to join a class if you haven't already. And you need to enter a class code. The class code for this particular class is G3PD356. Again, G3PD356. That's the code you need to join our Google Classroom so that you can access the lessons for this unit. Just so you know, over the course of this unit, each day when you open a new lesson, there will be a directions video, just like these videos that you see here. They're hosted on YouTube. And in the videos, I tell you to make a copy of each document before you can start working on it. You no longer have to do that because the files have been moved from this document to Google Classroom. So right away when you go into Google Classroom and you click on the document, you'll already have your own copy. You'll already be able to type on it, and you don't have to worry about making a copy of the file unless you want to for your own reasons. Thanks for watching, and when you're done here, go and you're done joining the distance learning class, you want to complete the April 20th unit setup and terms you should know lesson. Have a great day.